We're looking at Boeing here on the weekly chart. Nice save in here by that lower trend line. Our previous support that we had mapped out at that 215.90. That was a nice save for us in here. Actually, the past 2 weeks, but especially this week where you had that big pullback coming off of that 9-day EMA. So around a $6 move that we had in here, high to low overall on the week in here. Your IV rank is sitting at 19. You have $8 expected move priced in by this Friday, $11 by your monthly expiration. You do have earnings coming up at the end of the month in here, 29th pre-market. That is when Boeing is going to report. Now, if this 215.90 does not hold, then we're looking here right around that 205 range. Anything below there, we're looking at 196. So it's kind of like you have a $10 channel on either side of the 205s that we're looking at in here. So you can go to 215 about 205 and you go about 196 to 205. So you can kind of chalk that up, turn the 205s and 206, turn the 215s and 216s. $10 channel either way you look at it, right? On either side of those. As far as our resistance goes, that 9-day EMA sitting at 221, that is going to be key for us. Obviously, that is going to move depending on what the stock does in the next week or so. But right now it's sitting at 221. That's going to be our first resistance. Anything above there, you're looking at that 226 range, and then you're looking at 235. That you can see there's a lot of touch points in here right around that 235 range. So that is going to be a very, very big resistance for us to kind of go up there and breach and hold. But we have to obviously get above that 9-day EMA first before we can start thinking about that. So we'll see what happens in here. 215.90, that is going to be the level that we're watching in here. Anything below that, you're looking at that 205 to 206 range. And below there, you're going $10 down right around that 196 level in Boeing. So we'll see what happens in here as we open up the new week next week. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.